I have an Adobe Photoshop tutorial to show how to outline, do a basic outline of an object. I have a path right now, but I'm going to create a new path. And what I do is, using the pen tool, and I've created a path in the path palette window. And I just zoom in on this image and just get it right on the line. Just click, drag, and all the way around the image. And I can use the arrow keys to adjust in and out as I go. Just getting inside that, or right along that outer pixel area is usually best. Depending on the sharpness of your image. Images should be 300 dpi and of decent size, at least as large as you need for your the final destination of your image. If it's print, it really should be 300 dpi, and if it appears as a 5-inch wide image, then it should be at least 5 inches wide. So I just keep going. It gets quicker as you get more proficient, and it's not as daunting a task as it appears. Generally, you can usually do this in a few minutes. And it's essential for print. Screen is not as critical. Keep going. And we'll see how I do with matching it up to the path I had originally, which was working very well for me. Can make minor adjustments and tweaks after you completed the path as well. How long this video is basically how long it takes to outline a fork. A very smooth, clean line is what you're looking for. can also adjust this outline for if this fork will appear on a dark background, it should be slightly inside. If a lighter background, it can stay as is. So sometimes you need to make it a little bit more tight depending on where it's going to be placed. This image is going to be placed. I think I'm rounding the bottom portion of this image. Pulling in an image with an outline in another application like InDesign will make the appearance of the image very crisp. And then you can put it on a different color background to make it really pop, because white is probably not contrasting enough depending on what you need this image for. Just smooth, clean outline, pretty much equal intervals as you draw around the object. Depending on the shape. And then I can use the direct object tool to make adjustments as needed in this path. But that's pretty much it. And my outline is pretty similar to the one I had before, which was working well for me. So that's pretty much how you outline any image, properly outline any image, specifically a fork. But it will work, this method will work for anything. And that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.